With Doubtnut, get instant video solutions to all your maths, physics, chemistry, and biology doubts. Just click the image of the question, crop the question, and get instant video solution. Download Doubtnut app today.
Hello everyone, so today's question is find the valency factor for the following acids: CH3COOH, NaH2PO4, NH3BO3. So we'll make the structures. So first is CH3, C double bond OH. So it will be CH3, C double bond O and OH. So only this OH, from this OH, H can be removed. So valency over here is 1. Now for the next one, NaH2PO4. For making the structures of phosphates, we have to remember one thing: P double bond O and OH. This is the first criteria. After this, we will continue and join anything. So right now what we can write NaH2PO4 as, we can write it as H2PO4 minus. So P is there, double bond O is there, OH is there. So now remaining is one OH, and then remaining is 1, 2, 3, and this fourth is oxygen. So 2H are done, 1 phosphorus is done, 4 oxygens are done, and remaining is negative charge. So that negative charge will come over here. So one bond will decrease, and now we put a minus over here. Or we can also write it as P double bond O, OH, OH, and over here we can write it as O minus and Na plus. So this is one. So valency over here, 1 and 2. So valency over here is equal to 2. Now third one is H3BO3. H3BO3. B, OH, OH and OH. So now here all H are ionizable. So 1, 2, 3. So valency is equal to 3. Thank you.
For class 6 to 12, IIT JEE and NEET level. Trusted by more than 5 crore students. Download Doubtnut app today.